100 fois 39 secondes 25. Au départ au 34, Zoé Delrue et Ronfleur pour les écuries du manoir.
My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell the stories. Most of my boys look at me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still sound.